All the Honda cars come with a standard warranty of 3 years. Warranty means freedom from worry of repairs. But do you know you can extend your car warranty? Honda Cars offers you complete peace of mind. So that you can enjoy the drive with your Honda with no worries. Honda Cars offers you a choice to extend your standard warranty benefits till 5 years of age with Honda Extended Warranty. You can take the smart choice of buying the Honda Extended Warranty at the time of buying Honda car or within standard warranty period, which covers you for all unforeseen repairs, and with that you pay zero amount for your repairs. Honda Extended Warranty Program offers features like cashless service, covers unforeseen repairs, transferable and high resale value. And that's not all. All you need to pay for this program is Rs 10 per day. That's like a cup of coffee every day. And the cost of this program for your Honda car is 90% cheaper than other consumer durables. Let us understand through an example. The extended warranty of a cell phone worth Rs 30,000 costs Rs 1,500, which is 5% of the total cost. On the other hand, the extended warranty of a Honda car worth Rs 14 lakh costs only Rs 8,000, which is 0.57% of the total cost. But wait, that's not all. Honda also provides the industry-first warranty cover till 10 years with Honda Anytime Warranty. Honda Anytime Warranty covers you for all unforeseen circumstances and can be bought anytime after your warranty expires. Why wait? Get your car covered with the Honda Extended Warranty Program. Avail great benefits and be a part of more than 3.5 lakh happy customers. And get a complete peace of mind. You can also buy Extended Warranty Program from your home with Honda Connect app.